Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn a new type of sum in which they are not linear equations but can be made linear equations and solved. So we have the sum of the type 4 by x plus 5 by y is 7. This is the first equation. 3 by x plus 4 by y is equal to 5. This is the second equation. So now we will substitute 1 by x as m and 1 by y as n. So when you substitute this, you will get 4m plus 5n is equal to 7. 3m plus 4n is equal to 5. Now you need to solve these two equations. Either you eliminate m or either you eliminate n, as we had learned before. So in order to eliminate m, this would be multiplied by 3 and this would be multiplied by 4, as m coefficient 4 and m coefficient 3 are not divisible by each other or are not multiples of each other. So we will multiply. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Multiply 1 by 3 and 2 by 4. We will eliminate n. Okay. So you can eliminate n as well. If you go to eliminate n, then in that case you have to multiply this by 5 and this equation by 4. And this throughout. This will come throughout. So when you multiply by 3, you get 12m plus 15n is equal to 21. Then you get this one, this is equation 3, and this one will get 9, no, you multiply 4 for equation 2. So 12m plus 16n is equal to 20. Now subtract, this is equation 4. Now subtract 2 from 1. Now when you subtract 2 from 1, you get 12m plus 15n is equal to 21 minus 12m plus 16n is equal to 20. So the signs will change for minus. When you subtract, this will become minus, this will become minus, this will become minus. So 12m minus 12m is 0. 15m minus 16n is minus 1n, sign of the bigger number, and 21 minus 20 is 1, sign of the greater number. N is minus 1. Now we got the value of n, so we need to substitute n as minus 1 in equation 3 or 4, any one of them, or in equation 1 or 2, in equation 1 or 2. So if we substitute in equation 2, so what we will get, 3m plus 4 into minus 1 is equal to 5. So 3m minus 4 is equal to 5. So 3m is equal to 9. And m is equal to 3. So m is 3 and n is minus 1. N is minus 1 and m is 3. Now again you have to get it in the values of terms of x and y. So in order to do that, you need to substitute again 1 by x as m and 1 by y as n. So 1 by x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 1 by 3. then 1 by y is equal to n is equal to minus 1. So y is equal to minus 1. So the solution is given by xy is 1 by 3 comma minus 1. This is the solution of the given equation. Please note this down. Okay, so now we see the next sum. 4 by x minus y plus 1 by x plus y is 3. 2 by x minus y minus 3 by x plus y is 5. See, the denominator of first term is similar, x minus y, and denominator of the second term is also similar, x plus y. So this will be solved in a similar way to the previous question. We will substitute 1 by x minus y as m and 1 by x plus y as, or say a, and 1 by x plus y as b. You can take any variable. We'll take it as a and b. So to solve these two equations, we will substitute here 4a plus b is equal to 3 and 2a minus 3b is equal to 5. Now we need to solve these two equations in a and b. So see, this is a multiple. 2 is a multiple of 4 and this is 3. So we will go for multiplying this by 3 because here there is a negative sign and here there is a positive sign. So when we add the two equations, this will get eliminated. So we can multiply, this is equation 1, this is equation 2, multiply 1 by 3 throughout. So 4a into 3 plus 3b is equal to 9. So 4a into 3 is 4 3s are 12a. So 12a. And this will be as it is. So we will now, this is equation number 4. Now add, here you can write add 4 and 2. So when I am adding this 4 with this 2, 2a minus 3b is equal to 5. So 12 plus 2 is 14a, 3a minus 3b cancel, this is 14. So a is 1 and substitute a is 1 in 1 or in 2. So I am substituting it in 1. So 4 into 1 plus b is equal to 3. So b is equal to 3 minus 4 minus 1. So b is minus 1 and now a is 1. Now substitute back in this equation. So 1 upon x plus y, 1 upon x minus y is a. So a value is 1. A value is 1 which we got here. So 1 upon x minus y is a. So x minus y is equal to 1. This is one equation. This is your fifth equation. And b is minus 1 in x plus y. 1 upon x plus y is minus 1. So x minus y is equal to 1. When you multiply this on this side, both will get negative. So x x plus y is minus 1. This is equation 6. Now solving 5 and 6. Now when you solve 5 and 6, we get x minus y is equal to 1. X plus y is equal to minus 1. You are adding plus y minus y cancel. 2x is 0. So x is 0 and y will be substitute in this. 0 minus y is equal to 1. Substitute in 5. 0 minus y is minus 1. Y is minus 1. So this is the solution. 0 comma minus 1. This is the solution of the two equations. Please note this down. Okay friends, now we have this question. 5 by x minus 1 plus y 1 by y minus 2 is 2. 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is 1. Whenever you have variables in the denominator, you must substitute it into another letter, solve the equations, then resubstitute it back to the previous and then get the solution for the equation. So now we will substitute x minus 1 as a, 1 upon x minus 1 as a, and 1 upon y minus 2 as b. So here you will get 5a plus b is equal to 2, and this will be 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. Now this is single, so we can multiply this by 3. If you go for 5 and 6, you will have to multiply with a bigger number. This will all be multiplied by 6, this will all be multiplied by 5 if you try to eliminate a. So we will try to eliminate b because this is 1, the coefficient is 1 and this is 3. So you need to only multiply this by 3. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Multiply 1 by 3 throughout. So 5a plus 5 into 3, 15a plus 3b is equal to 6. So now this is the fourth equation. Now you add fourth with second, that is 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. So plus 3 minus 3b will get cancelled. 15 plus 6, 21a is equal to 7. So a is equal to 1 by 3. So what is b? Substitute a is equal to 1 by 3 in 1 or 2. So I am substituting in 1. So 5 1 by 3 plus b is equal to 2. So b is 2 minus 5 by 3, which is 6 minus 5, 1 by 3. b is 1 by 3 and a is 1 by 3. Now you substitute back here. Now you substitute back here. 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. So 3 is x minus 1. So x is 4. Next, 1 upon y minus 2 is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. 3 is y minus 2. So y is 5. So 4, 5 is the solution of two simultaneous equations. Please note this down. Okay, so friends, this was part 4 of linear equations. In the next video, I'll be doing part 5, which is the last part, and then I'll go for problem set. Some random sums I'll solve from the problem set. I request you to keep practicing and get yourself thorough with all the concepts. Once you memorize all the concepts, then it's easy for you to apply it into the sums. So please like, share and subscribe to the same. Thank you.